देखो एक जमाने में क्या था कि हम लोग ना देयर वाज यूज्ड टू हियर दिस राइट कि इफ यू हैड एन इंडियन अंकल विद अ पॉट बेली वाज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक कि आप खाते पीते घर से हो, यू नो दैट इट्स अ साइन ऑफ वेल्थ, इट्स अ साइन ऑफ वेलनेस कि अगर आपके पास शरीर ऐसा है आपका कि आपके पास आप मतलब फिट नहीं हो, आपके तोन है, तो फिर इट्स अ गुड थिंग,
आप सेट हो।
हाँ आप सेट हो,
आप हेल्दी हो,
आप हेल्दी हो, यू आर ऑलवेज लाइक कि देयर इज दैट वाज अ साइन ऑफ सीन एज लाइक कि आप प्रॉस्पेरिटी. नाउ वी हैव स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग दैट दैट इज नॉट हेल्दी एट ऑल. There is obviously more and more fitness that more young men in particular are looking at gyms, are looking at fitness in a very serious way, which is amazing. My friend Virat Sheth in a podcast recently said 2026 is going to be the year of look maxing, where men in India be like अपनी हमको ऐसी शक्लें बनानी है कि बाहर जाकर सब हमको इज्जत इसीलिए दिए क्योंकि हम गुड लुकिंग हैं. So there is now that you see that revolution, where people are caring about their grooming as well. Having said that, how much of this is performance, and how much of this actually works? Now I don't know if
परफॉर्मेंस में भी आदमी अगर सही चीज कर रहा है तो क्या बुराई है, अगर वो ऑफिस में दिखाने के लिए प्रोटीन पी रहा है तो प्रोटीन तो बॉडी में जा ही रहा है ना.
करेक्ट. नो बट हाउ मच ऑफ इट इज हेल्दी इन द सेंस ऑफ कि अगर आप ये जैसे अभी कोल्ड प्लंज की बात हुई, बायो हैकिंग की बात हो रही है, सप्लीमेंट्स की बात हो रही है, इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग की बात हो रही है, अ लॉट ऑफ दिस नॉलेज ऑल्सो कम्स फ्रॉम अगेन यूट्यूब चैनल्स एंड इट कम्स फ्रॉम एक्सपर्ट्स हु मे नॉट एक्चुअली बी डॉक्टर्स, हु आर जस्ट पीपल ऑन द इंटरनेट हु आर सेइंग ये करो और ये हो जाएगा.
Specifically about supplements, since you mentioned that, I am not anti-supplement. I think as a vegetarian or as in our modern diets, there is a very high likelihood कि आप एक दो चीज में deficient होंगे. For example, B12, D3, omega 3. तो अगर आप ये सब चीज में deficient हो तो आपको supplement की जरूरत हो सकती है. And I don't think it's a negative thing. So I'm just saying, don't supplements not equal to steroids, like there's a difference. Of course I will always say कि जितना आपको अपने डाइट से ही मिल जाए वो बेटर है, because now there is also a trend of over supplementizing कि हर एक चीज में मुझे supplement ही चाहिए. Unfortunately there is a lot of advice on the internet regarding health, but there are 4-5 things if you were to do, it can solve probably 80-90% of the issues. One is hydration. Everything differs from person to person a bit, but I'll just give a broad rule of thumb. Hydration, around 3 liters of water if you're drinking every day. Steps, if you're walking around 7,000 to 8,000 steps every day. Food, if you're eating roughly, I mean this differs on how much you work out or not work out, but roughly if you're doing 1 gram of protein per kg of body weight, then that's like around protein. One sleep, around 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Overall calories, if you're not like significantly over consuming than what you are burning in a day. But I'm saying is this 4-5 things if you are just doing, I think a lot of problems will get solved just by doing the basics. And of course, going to the working out at least 3 to 4 times a week. Like in strength training. I think if you do these 4-5 things, a lot of कि लोगों को अब आइस बकेट में भी जाना है, like and sauna and red light therapy and this and that. I think a lot of that is not required for most of the population unless you're trying to be the 0.001%. Now with water, for example, now people are over optimized कि अब कि मुझे खड़ा होके पानी नहीं पीना चाहिए, इसके ऐसे नहीं पीना चाहिए, वैसे नहीं करना चाहिए, खाने के 1 घंटा पहले नहीं करना चाहिए, 1 घंटा बाद नहीं. So यार बस 3 लीटर पानी पी लो दिन में. If you just focus on these 4-5 basics, I feel a lot of your problems will get solved, but people don't focus on the basics. Instead, as you just said, they want to hack things.
Complicate करने के चक्कर में रहते हैं वो.
सब ब्रायन जॉनसन बनना चाहते हैं.
हाँ, और cool बनना है, मतलब कि doing the cooler things because
less than necessary.
हाँ, like again, I see so many people promote it कि I'm not saying it's a wrong thing to promote, but it just is not. It's for 10,000 people in the entire country. Cold plunge. Like I think a lot of these are very privileged things which will not solve health as at a scale.
जैसे कोल्ड प्लंज मोस्टली लोग रिकवरी के लिए लेते हैं. अब रिकवरी तब होगी जब पहले आपने मसल तोड़ा है। हम नॉर्मल कोल्ड प्लान चले जाओगे, उससे आपकी बॉडी को कोई फायदा नहीं है। तो वो परफॉर्मेटिव है। मैं कह रहा हूँ परफॉर्मेंस में भी अगर लोग हेल्दी हो रहे हैं तो दैट इज गेटिंग बेटर फॉर द सोसाइटी।
परफॉर्मेंस के नाम पे अगर मार्केटिंग हो रही है जिसकी वजह से सोसाइटी में नॉर्मलाइज हो रही है चीजें,
हाँ,
दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग बिकॉज एटलीस्ट वी आर मूविंग फ्रॉम प्रोटीन पाउडर इज स्टेरॉइड्स टू प्रोटीन पाउडर इज नॉर्मल। दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दीज गिमिकी थिंग्स ओनली। बट द थिंग इज वंस प्रोटीन बिकम्स नॉर्मलाइज्ड, जैसे अमूल का जो प्रोटीन आया,
मैं वही बोल
सच
रहा
अ
था।
बिग विन इन द मार्केट।
जिस दिन अमूल ने निकाला सारे पेरेंट्स मान गए कि सही चीज है ये। उनको लगा कि हाँ, ये अमूल पहचान का आदमी है, ये सही बात बोल रहा हो कुछ।
No, I just want to table the fact that मुझे भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मैं सिर्फ पूछ रहा हूँ, ठीक है ना। मेरे को अभी
नहीं,
फिर ये लोग
मतलब-
कमेंट करेंगे, देखो वही ना, इसने ये फिटनेस पे ध्यान नहीं देता तो फिर दूसरों पे पॉइंट आउट कर रहा है। नो, आई आल्सो टेक सप्लीमेंट्स। इनफैक्ट सप्लीमेंट्स इन द सेंस कौन से सप्लीमेंट्स है वो, आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, माय वाइफ डिसाइड्स। शी टेल्स मी ये है, ले लो, मैं ले रहा हूँ, बिकॉज आई थिंक शी इज अ लिटिल बिट मोर knowledgeable in all of this. I trust her. Doctor, what is your perspective on this? That there are a lot of people, I see there is one aspect of it which we've been talking about, which is like we snooze on better health. At the same time, do you see a certain kind of extremity also in the way that people are now looking at health, which could also be dangerous in some way?
So a couple of things, right?
Yeah.
I think advice about health and staying healthy need not necessarily come from doctors. The problem is doctors deal with disease. So we are experts when it comes to disease. When something goes wrong, we are very good at telling you what to do. But what to do to prevent that something from going wrong, we may not necessarily be the experts. The experts will come from nutrition. And I think that's what's happening more and more, which is a good thing. But coming back to the sleep and the snoozing thing, I think, flogging a dead horse is never a good idea, right? So if you aren't rested and then you're taking a lot of caffeine in the morning so that you're able to work out well, is pushing yourself to the limit. And in the context of what we spoke about, healthy people, right?
Yeah.
Take snoring, for example, right? A lot of people assume that karate मार के सोता है मतलब fantastic sleep. Conscience is clear, no anxiety, sleeping very well.
घोड़े बेच के सो रहे हैं।
घोड़े बेच के सो रहे हैं, right? But we now know clearly that snoring is not normal, right? Snoring occurs because your windpipe is not as open as it should be. And when wind goes through that windpipe, the vibrations produce the sound of snoring, right? Along with snoring, if during those episodes of snoring your oxygen levels drop, that's what we call sleep apnea.
Yeah.
And sleep apnea is strongly linked to high blood pressure, strongly linked to a poor quality of life, strongly linked to mental health in general. So if somebody is snoring at night, somebody is very sleepy during the day, people are also very happy about the fact ये तो कहीं पे भी सो जाता है, right? ये तो जैसे ही तकिए पे सर रखता है तुरंत सो जाता है।
सॉरी सर।
But that's actually a reflection of the fact that you're not well rested. You're ready to fall asleep everywhere. If you fall asleep within 8 minutes, it's abnormal. And a lot of people fall asleep in 8 minutes, right? Because it's just assumed कि शांत जगह पे हम रहेंगे तो नींद तो आनी ही है. But that's not true. It's a reflection of the fact that you've not slept well.
पेरेंट्स बोलते थे, सही बोलते थे, जब घर पे डांट पड़ती थी कि सो जाओ और 8 घंटे सो जाओ सब ठीक हो जाएगा. They were always kind of right. But I found out about sleep apnea through the CEO of Yuva, who's Kevin, and I've taken his consent to take his name. He's been with Yuva now for about 6 years, since we almost pretty much started. And he was complaining regularly कि मेरे को रात को नींद अच्छी नहीं आती वगैरह वगैरह etc etc. One day his partner pointed out that when it's not that you're snoring at night and your sleep is getting disturbed because of that, you're choking at night.
Right.
And he's just like, wait, what? I mean, you obviously, again, as you said, you realize it after it happens rather than before it happens. You actually first don't take care of your sleep, you don't take care of your health, and then when something happens, then you start thinking like, how do I fix this? But what I really appreciate actually nowadays is that there is at least awareness about all kinds of technologies that are available to you. ये सारी चीजें पहले तो पता ही नहीं होती थी ना.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.